is that extraordinary crossbill. And this is a unique adaptation, which means that the crossbill can feed on pine cones. And what it does is it gets onto the pine cone, it prizes the two scales apart, it sticks its incredibly long tongue in and pulls out the seed. And of course, because it's the only bird that can feed on pine cones and pine seeds, it does very well in these pine coniferous forests.
They look like tiny parrots, really, the way they swarm over the tree, and they use their feet in the same way that parrots do. I've actually seen them clamping the cones down with their feet while they wrench the scales off with those bills. And they're very workmanlike about it. They don't waste any time at all. They're very destructive, and sometimes you can find the cones under the trees in tatters.
Yes, because they're what are called an eruptive species. They're a bird that won't be in an area for maybe years on end, and then one year, suddenly, maybe dozens or even hundreds of them will turn up, because they're a bird that is nomadic.